been a minute since your girl done put on a wig, and definitely a minute since I recorded one. I will be collabing today with Beauty Forever, and I'm super excited about this install. It's actually New Year's Eve, and I'm gonna be going to a kickback. So I'm about to do a cute install, and I think I wanna do a trendy hairstyle where it's like half up, half down with the clip. And I'm gonna put some curls in it. So I'm about to go ahead and get into it because, you know, got some things to do. I'm just about to go ahead and do 2 braids, one here, get it as, you know, flat as possible, and we're gonna work with that. When I pop back up, I'm gonna have my wig cap ready. Y'all done seen that process before, so we gonna skip that part. And we're gonna get into this install. So I did record freshly unboxing this, but the footage didn't come out too good, so I had to trash it. But this is ultimately how the hair comes packaged. So they send you this elastic, you know, to tack the wig down and make it melt into your scalp. They sent me some wig caps. These was really dope. Really like these wig caps. And then here is the wig. It comes with also other protections around it, but like I said, I had already taken it out. And this is how it looks. It's been freshly washed. And here's a quick close-up of the lace. Really nice lace. This is a 13x4 Yaki Kinky straight in this really pretty color, auburn. It is a 150% density and 24 inches. As you can see, it also comes with 3 clips, and it has this detachable elastic in the back of it, because sometimes you might want to switch up how you're tacking your wig down. You might want to glue it down, or you might just want to have this extra security on it and not glue it down. So I love the option of having it, and that you can take it out if you want to. But yeah, the hair is super thick, and I really love the color of it. So I went ahead and took the band out of the back of the wig because I'm going to be gluing this down. So I don't really need this because I'm going to be secure by gluing it down. So I will be using the Got To Be Glued to tack down my wig, as well as the John Frieda Freeze Ease Moisture Barrier Hairspray. I went to Target and I was looking for, you know, the one that also goes with this, the hairspray. I forgot the name of it, but y'all know what I'm talking about, and they didn't have it. So I've used this before in a smaller bottle and it worked good, and I just used this to spray down my cap. So this works really good too for taking out your wigs. So I have, as I said, put on my cap. Look at it already. Whatever wig caps they gave me, these are like the most seamless cap that I've used. And then I just put a little makeup on it. But look at it, like, especially from here. I know you can see like a little bit of hair here, but like right here, I look bald. It's giving scalp. It's giving bald. Okay. Anyways, about to go ahead and install this. So I'm gonna quit talking and, you know, get in my groove so I can put this on. Stopping right here, but I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna make it work. Okay, so I just had to cut the lace. I'm stretching it down a little bit, and it's gonna work. It's gonna work. So my camera is acting like it's about to die, so if it die, I'm trying to catch y'all back up to where I am. But right now I'm about to go in with the Got To Be Glued, put some on, use this to, you know, like smooth it in, get it in good, and then I'll go over top of that with the spray. completely finished cutting the lace away and making sure everything was tacked down. I've been having this on for like 30 minutes or so, just letting it melt and make sure everything's nice and secure. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. And even though I did pull the hairs down, as you can see, it's still a little short here. So I definitely probably needed like just a bigger size cap. So now, of course, I'm gonna go through the process of making it look as natural as possible. So I actually decided on doing a side part. So I'm just trying to get a good part going. And now I'm gonna go in with some mousse. I love using mousse on like the top of the wigs because it just helps lay really nice and flat. So going in all over like the top area and around the part to get my hair to lay flat as possible, because it needed to look natural and not bulky, and you know what I'm saying? So get that mousse and work it in. And to make it dry, all you gotta do is go in with a little bit of a blow dryer to dry it, and it dries quick. Now, you ain't gotta do baby hairs, edges and all that, but me, oh, I'm gonna turn up. But nah, I'm always do like a little bit of baby hairs. Nothing too extreme, but I think it just helps. I'm not arrogant Tay, so you know what I'm saying? I'm not arrogant Tay level yet, so I do, you know, what I can do to give that illusion. So I'm just going in and making some baby hairs, edges, whatever you want to call it, and swooping them up. And plus, because the sides, because my cap is small, see that? Boom. It hit the whole fact that the sides were short. So, yeah. And next, you got to go in with that hot comb, because the hot comb also adds to the whole concept of getting it flat. Like, that hot comb gonna do what it do. So, you know, going in with the hot comb, getting it flat. And this is how the hair looks in its natural state. And then I went in and straightened it to kind of compare for you guys. And I decided, of course, I'm about to straighten it, and I'm not even gonna do the extra styles, curling it or nothing. Like, I just fell in love with how it looked straightened like this, and it still has a nice texture to it, you know what I'm saying? So I decided to just follow up and finish straightening it and leave it straightened as a side part style. As you guys can already see, this wig can be worn like in many different ways. It's very versatile. Even with the texture change you can kind of do, you can wear it poofy, or you can straighten it and be like a little more straighter. But yeah, just going in now with a little bit of the spray to lay down any flyaways and just snatch her all together. She's coming together really cute. But let me go ahead and put on my makeup and really show y'all how she looking. Are y'all ready for her? Is y'all ready? Boom, look at her, look at her. Like, I'm really, really loving this wig. Super, super pretty. Texture, amazing. Length, it's a nice length. Stiff well. Do you see do you see it? It's giving. Really love it. Thank you so much to Beauty Forever for sending me this wig. I hope you guys like it as well. Let me know in the comments, how did I do? How it look? I think it look cute. But yeah, let me know. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Deuces.